I recently spoke to a friend about her trip to Venice. It's beautiful, she said, but there are so many tourists. Isn't there any place where the real people are? Yes, there is. We are at the outskirts of the Cannaregio neighborhood at a place called Venice On Board. Their main goal is restoring old wooden boats, but they also teach you paddling, so like traditional stand-up paddling.
Right, we're going to be in a little boat learning how to paddle standing up going forward. Should be really cool. Hopefully nobody falls in. And nice experience. And let's support these guys trying to preserve some old Venetian traditions.
Yes. We toured the workshop and learned a little about the history of Venetian boat building. Our boat, a San Pierrotta, was a traditional flat-bottom workboat. After a few minutes of instruction in the boat, we were soon paddling and drifting through the narrow canals of Cannaregio. It's not as easy as it looks.
I'm doing really bad. I'm doing really bad.
That's okay. Up. Diamond up. Yeah.
There's the problem. That's not the problem, but. Well,
The problem is the road. Okay.
Yeah. Push with the diamond.
Yeah, exactly. You got it.
I wasn't turning my hands like you said.
Yeah. Now I will show you a very narrow. So narrow.
Well, that was really great. Our guide Emiliano did a great job explaining all about Venetian boating and the canals and the history.
We took turns rowing in the front, and then he was in the back, so we avoided any disasters.
He was steering, let's put it that way.
Yes. But the great thing about it is you got to see Venice from the water, but not the Grand Canal, all the little side canals, so it was a really special experience. Highly recommend it.
Big shout out to, what's it called?
Venice On Board.
Venice On Board.
Yes, great value. I think it was 40 euros each for 90 minutes, and we were a little bit longer than that, so really great experience.
Yeah, he took his time. It didn't seem like he really cared. When we got back, we just paddled around, had a great time talking.
Yeah. Really nice. So.
Venice On Board. Really liked it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Emiliano. That was awesome.
È stato un piacere.